students, good morning. Today we are discussing pharmaceutics 2. The topic here is for incompatibilities. Study of incompatibilities. It refers to a reaction between two or more substances that lead to undesirable product and result in the change in chemical, physical and therapeutic property of the pharmaceutical dosage form. Incompatibility means when two or more ingredients of a prescription are mixed together, the undesirable change or which will be take place physically, chemically or therapeutically. The term is called incompatibility. The types of incompatibility, which is divided into three types, those are therapeutic incompatibility or pharmacological. Secondly, chemical incompatibility. Third, we have physical incompatibility. The therapeutic incompatibility, where the prescribed drug produces its response whose nature is different from intended by the prescriber to the patient. It means the pharmacological effect to the patient. It may interfere with the absorption of administration. For example, the simultaneous administration of physostigmine or atropine in the eye. The physostigmine constricts the pupil, where atropine dilates the pupil. Another example for therapeutic, like antacid or dairy product, those are impair the absorption of tetracycline, or the use of kaolin will also produce similar effect when it administered with the erythromycin. The cause of therapeutic incompatibility are overdose of the drug, improper dosage form, wrong dosage form, contraindicated dosage form, synergism and antagonism of the drug, and drug interactions. These are the few by which the therapeutic incompatibility will be generated. The second, we have chemical incompatibility. In case of incompatibility, it involves the chemical interaction between the ingredient. There may chemical reaction, either it may change the pH value or pH change of the dosage form, interaction with the preservatives or solvents in the dosage form, and the combination of divalent cation with the component of the chemical incompatibility. It may involve different type of chemical reaction. These are called oxidation, hydrolysis, polymerization, isomerization, decarboxylation, absorption of carbon dioxide, formation of insoluble compound. The chemical incompatibility may be tolerated or it may overcome by the chemical reaction can be decreased by changing the order of mixing or adjusted it also by adding or substituting one or more ingredient of the formulation with compound of equal therapeutic value. The example for this, in case of caffeine citrate and sodium salicylate. The caffeine citrate is replaced with the caffeine. The chemical incompatibility, the examples are alkaloidal, soluble salicylate, soluble iodides, contraindication, cause, evaluation of the carbon dioxide gas, or miscellaneous contraindications. Physical incompatibility. The physical incompatibility, some physical property of ingredients will interfere in their coexistence. There are some physical property of the ingredient which may lead to physical incompatibility like insolubility, immiscibility, precipitation or molecular change. In case of insolubility, when one or more ingredients are not soluble or poorly soluble in the vehicle, for example, kaolin, calcium carbonate in the aqueous solution. In case of immiscibility, when two liquids ingredients in a preparation are not miscible. For example, the castor oil, liquid paraffin in aqueous solution. Precipitations. When two solids are mixed together, they may liquefy. For example, benzyl alkonium chloride is a positive charge with sodium lauryl sulfate has negative charge. By mixing opposite charge drug, a precipitate is formed. Physical incompatibility, the correction of pharmaceutical or physical. By this, the addition of a suspending agent or a thickening agent. In this, the prescription which will be shown here, the tragacanth, which is a mucilage or a compound powder used as a suspending agent, as the phenestrine is a indiffusible substance. On the other hand, the tincture of resin are made soluble in water by addition of some thickening agent or with vigorous stirring and shaking. Second, emulsification. Water and oil are immiscible in each other. They can be made miscible by addition of emulsion. This is called emulsification. Third point, the changing the mixing or order of the prescription. Fourthly, the changing the form of ingredient, that means from liquid to solid form or from hydrous form to anhydrous form. This is helpful to increase the solubility of a substance. For example, solution of ephedrine sulfate, a alkaloidal salt, liquid paraffin is not possible as alkaloid salt of ephedrine sulfate. It is not soluble in the liquid paraffin, but anhydrous form of ephedrine soluble in it, so we use anhydrous form. Adjusted incompatibility. In this, the chemical interaction can be prevented by addition or substitution of one of the reacting ingredient of a prescription with another therapeutic value. The therapeutic value will be equal to the any addition or substitution. That is called tolerated incompatibility. There are certain methods by which we can overcome physical incompatibility. In that case, change the order of mixing of ingredient of the prescription, emulsification, addition of the suspending agent, change in the form of ingredient by addition, substitution or omission of therapeutically inactive substance to help compounding the prescription. For example, the physical incompatibility, immiscibility, insolubility, precipitation or emulsification. These are the type of physical incompatibility occur in the dosage form. Incompatible chemicals. For example, acetic acid. When it is with the chromic acid or ethylene glycol hydroxyl compound permanganate peroxide. Acetone with concentrated sulfuric acid, nitric acid mixture. Acetylene with copper, bromine, chlorine, fluorine or iodine. Alkali metal, powdered aluminium, magnesium, calcium, lithium, flammable liquids, ammonia, anhydrous with mercury, halogen, calcium hydrochloride. Ammonium nitrate with acids, metal powder, flammable or sulfur, finely divided organics. Aniline with nitric acid, hydrogen peroxide or oxidizable. Bromine with ammonia, acetylene, benzene, butane, petroleum jeans, sodium chloride, chlorates with ammonium salt, acid, metal powder, sulfur, finely divided organ. These are the few examples which are the incompatible chemicals. Means these compounds जो बताए हैं when they are treated with or dispensed along with that chemical they will generate the incompatible chemicals. The other chemicals like mercury with the acetylene ammonia, nitric acid with the acetic acid, chromic acid or flammable liquid gases, substances which are readily nitrated. Oxalic acid with silver, mercury and their salt, oxygen with the oils, grease, hydrogen, solid gas, perchloric acid with acetic anhydride, alcohol, paper, organic material, phosphorus peroxide when treated with the water, alcohol, strong base, potassium permanganate with the glycerol, ethylene, glycol, benzaldehyde, sodium peroxide with the glycerol, ethylene, sodium peroxide with oxidizable substance like alcohol, ethanol, methanol, sulfuric acid with the chlorate, perchlorate. When these are the compounds when interact or dispense together with a simple prescription, they will generate the type of incompatibility. Precipitate yielding combination. Precipitate yielding combination. In this, the reaction between a strong solution proceed at a faster rate. The precipitate forms are thick and do not diffuse readily. Secondly, when reaction between the dilute solution proceed at a slow rate, the precipitate forms are light and diffuse readily in solution. Thirdly, the reacting substance should be diluted as much as possible before fixing. The precipitation which are formed in the preparation should contain a thickening agent if precipitate is not diffusible. These are the few methods which are help to overcome all these type. In case of method A, when this method is suitable for diffusible precipitate, this will be divide all or most of the vehicle into two portion, dissolve reactant in separate portion, mix the two portions slowly, adding one to other which stir rapidly. Sometimes a small volume must be reserved for dissolving other ingredient, rinsing measure and adjusting the volume. मेथड ए में क्या है कि जो व्हीकल है उसको दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करो, जो रिएक्टेंट है उनको सेपरेट करो, जब एक दूसरे को मिक्स करना है दे आर बी मिक्स बाय स्लोली एंड स्टिर रैपिडली. In the method B, it is useful for bulky indiffusible precipitate. इसके लिए हमें क्या करना है, divide the vehicle into two equal portions as A and B. Dissolve one reacting substance in one portion and another in the second. The other portion in the mortar incorporate with suitable amount of other suspending or emulsifying agent like tragacanth powder. It will be mixed with a constant trituration till a smooth mixture is produced. Then add the another substance which will be mixed to it. After that, mix the two portions by slowing, adding one portion to the other with rapid stirring. Alkaloidal salt with the alkaline substance. The alkaloids are weak base. They are almost insoluble in water, but alkaloidal salts are soluble in water. To overcome all those, the salts are dispensed with alkaline preparation. For example, strong solution of ammonia acetate, aromatic spirit of ammonia, solution of ammonia, ammonium bicarbonate. The free alkaloid may be precipitated. In this prescription, the sodium salicylate incompatibility, the sodium salicylate with ferric salt, sodium salicylate with ferric salt. The ferric salt, when it reacts with sodium salicylate, it will liberate the indiffusible precipitate of ferric salicylate. So, follow the method B for precipitate yielding interactions. Color change. The color of the most of the dye which are used in pharmaceutical preparation are influenced by their ionization. The ionization depends upon the pH of the solution. For example, phenolphthalein dye is a colorless dye in acid, but it will change its color, means it will turn into red when it will be mixed in the alkaline mixture. Thanks a lot.